Hello everyone, hope all of you doing good. So today actually this is an intro of my new tutorial series which is I am going to upload on YouTube for you guys to learn and make yourself a SQL developer. Actually this course is not only for those who is not work on SQL Server forever. In fact, those who have skills and they want to polish their SQL Server skills, SQL development skills, so they can take benefit of this. So let me just introduce about the course content. That data definition language we will cover, and data manipulation language we will cover. So first of all, we will cover starting from select statement because this is a huge topic and most important topic. So we will learn basic SQL structure and basics to advanced level SQL structure. So this is the main thing where you call actually SQL developer. So not only this, we will cover update, insert, merge. Even if we need to revoke or grant any object or database level, we can do this commit and TCL commands, which is we call it transaction control language. And on top of that, we will learn actually make you a TSQL developer. So this is actually I am putting my effort to make you a SQL developer. So please do comment on what I have to cover for you, or if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel so I can make a video and start my motivation and convert my knowledge to you guys. Thank you. I hope you like this tutorial or course series. Thank you very much. See you then.